How to download ChatGPT4 in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Search for ChatGPT4 login. Now tap on this very first link, GPT-4. Open it. Now scroll down. Tap on this option of Try on ChatGPT Plus. Now you will land to this kind of page. Welcome to ChatGPT. Now at the top right corner you will find three dots. Tap on it. Over here you will find different options. Tap on the option of Add to Home Screen. Now here you can give a name. Here I'm gonna give it as ChatGPT4. And you can tap on Add after you are done. And now you are good to go. You can close this. And in your home screen you can find this ChatGPT4 app. You can see that. Now you can just open this and you will land to this page. Now you can just tap on login and use this app. This is how you can download ChatGPT4 in Android devices. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.